August and the end of summer are already here, and we've seen quite a few viral products come and go. Today, I'll be sharing 3 winning products that you can sell as we head closer to Q4. And if you want more winning products just like these, remember to sign up for our winning products newsletter in the description below. My name's Alex, let's go over them. Alright, I have our 3 winning products for August, and I really can't believe August is already here. This summer has just been going by so fast for me, and I don't know about you guys, but that's just me. But getting started, we have our product number 1, the backseat car organizer. So I chose this product because I've seen it trending on Pinterest and TikTok recently, and it can actually serve quite a few different audiences. This can serve new parents, road trippers, or people that travel frequently for work, or really any other audience that you can think of that this product will serve. Starting at $6.75, you can negotiate a much lower price once you guys have a few daily orders to increase your margins. And there are a ton of AliExpress listings with high quality video content and images that you guys can use for your own stores and ads moving forward. But I definitely recommend ordering this product so that you guys can shoot your own custom content. But once you guys have a few orders a day, you guys can message around multiple suppliers and see what their MOQ is. And some will tell you 20 orders a day, 30 orders a day, some 50 orders a day. It really depends on the supplier and depends on the product. But once you figure that out and you have a certain amount of orders and volume each day, you guys can message around and negotiate lower prices with suppliers and actually get your own VIP link. But more on that later. So like I already said, the cost is $6.75 with free shipping. You guys can sell this product for $29.99 for a profit of $23.24 per sale. And that's a profit margin of 78%. So an already high profit margin product, but you guys can actually increase those margins moving forward by negotiating with those suppliers. So if you guys are starting with testing on Facebook ads, I would definitely start with interest testing on road trip, travel, and driving, and then see what Facebook suggests for you moving forward. So let's take a look at 2 other stores that are currently selling this product and everything that they're doing. Okay, so we're here on slashshare.com. They look like just a general store, but we have the backseat car organizer, kick mats, car seat back protectors with clear. Okay, I'm not going to read all of that, but they have just your basic AliExpress product title right here. I would definitely go through and change that. They're selling it for $8.99, marked down from $12.99. You're saving $4, and I really wonder what they're actually sourcing this product for, because they're selling it for under $10 and they really can't have that high of margins on this product. But if you guys click color, they have, okay, so for their color options, they have black and black 2-pack. So they should definitely change that to, quantity and include some type of quantity breaks on here to convince people to buy more. And they only have a 2-pack. So you guys know there's those cars like minivans and other types of cars that have the seats in the middle. So you have the 2 seats up front, 2 seats in the middle, and then the back seats. So you can actually fit 4 of these car covers on those seats. So I would definitely include more than a 2-pack on here. And then you also have families with multiple cars that would want to buy these car organizers for both or all of their cars. So I would definitely include, like a 2-pack, a 4-pack, an 8-pack, a 10-pack, and include quantity breaks on each of those to increase your average order value on your store. But this definitely needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So far already, I would change the title. I would increase the pricing for sure, and then include some type of quantity breaks on here for upsells and discounts. So they have some high quality content on here from AliExpress already. It doesn't actually look like they changed anything through their logo on anything or really have any aspects of branding on here. But this is just a general store, so they're probably just testing this product. It really doesn't look like they're doing much with it. But they have their trust badges right here. Delivery time worldwide, 10 to 20 business days. Fast refund with a money back guarantee. And then you may also like their upsells for their other products. And then their product description is right here. So it looks like they just have a basic AliExpress type description. They really didn't throw much into it. They're just repeating the same content that's on their product placeholder images, and they don't have any reviews on here. So there's definitely a lot I would go through and change with this product, but I really do wonder how much they're sourcing this product for to sell it for $8.99 and still be profitable. And then their black 2-pack they're selling for $14.99, so you're saving $5 compared to saving $4 with each car organizer originally. But let's take a look at one more store that's selling this product and see what we can improve on. Alright, so next store we have right here is the autostoreclub.com, and we have the car backseat organizer. So I already like that title much better than your just basic AliExpress title. We have 36 reviews right here. They're selling this product for $28.99, and they have your basic AliExpress content on here. So far, neither one of these brands have utilized custom content where you order this product yourself and shoot all of your own high quality content. And that just helps out with branding and really makes your brand more scalable moving forward. So I definitely recommend ordering this product yourself, or really any other product that you're selling, so that you guys can utilize that custom content. So they have free 4-day delivery when you order within an hour and 53 minutes. And then they have all of these same images as the other brand that we just looked at. They're using the same exact content, but their description's a little more cleaned up. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's definitely a lot better than the other brand that we just looked at. And I do like that this company actually does utilize reviews, and they have a review section on here. I don't know if any of these are imported from like AliExpress or Amazon, but it's definitely good to have a review section on your store to build that social proof. So right here they have upsells, car trunk organizer, car tissue box cover, dog covers, and all of that. So there's really not much of this product page, but you know, selling it for $29.99, you guys don't need to include everything on here, but you guys definitely need to build a compelling description, use high quality content, and use a lot more branding aspects and all of that. All right, next up, product number 2, we have the No Spill Pet Bowl. So I've seen this product in a lot of viral content over the last couple of weeks, whether that's Facebook, Pinterest, or TikTok. I've seen it on all three. But this bowl solves a very common problem with pet owners, and that's messy drinkers. You guys know when your dogs go to the water bowl, they literally get it everywhere, track it all through your house, and it can make such a mess. So you can target cat and dog owners alike, as well as specific breeds that are messy drinkers, such as pit bulls. And honestly, I could use this product myself. I have a healer, and he's a very messy drinker. He just gets water everywhere. And it's something that we tried to work on, but it's just never going to be resolved. So this product costs $4.69 with free shipping on AliExpress. And you can sell it for $34.99 for a profit of $30.30 per sale, with a profit margin of 87%. So it's a really good product with some really good profit margins. And like I already mentioned, you guys can actually negotiate with your pricing, get VIP links, and lower your overall pricing to increase your overall margins. So the 3 interests that I would start off testing on Facebook ads with this product would be dog food, dog walking, and dog lovers, and then once again just see what Facebook suggests for you guys. But I actually have a couple of different product ads that we're going to look at for this product right here. So let's look at a Pinterest ad, and then let's look at a Facebook ad and see what these stores are doing to sell this product to their audience. Alright, so we have a pin right here from the variety shop, and they seem like just another general store, but we have the No Spill Dog Water Bowl, and they have 3 different color options right here, and they're selling theirs for $36.99. So under product details, they have the product description right here. Ideal for keeping water bowl areas dry and clean at home or while traveling. They talk about their product right here, talk about who it's for and the problems that it solves. And then they have their product details. Perfect travel bowl, great for fast drinkers, dishwasher safe, rubber pads included to stop the bowl from slipping. So if we click visit, let's take a look at their product page really quick. So yeah, I was right. They are just a general store, the variety shop right here, but we have the No Spill Dog Water Bowl, the 3 different color options. I don't like their coloring on their page. I feel like this would turn off a lot of potential customers, but it's just a basic description. They have an area to ask a question. I thought that would be like an FAQ section. They have the customer review section, but no reviews imported. Recommended for you, all of their general store products. So the same thing as their Pinterest ad. They literally include the same exact product description on their pin, but yeah, there's really not much to this. I would definitely include a lot more content, a lot more branding, and a lot more details in the description to justify the $36.99 price point for this dog bowl. But yeah, let's take a look at one more store that's selling it a little bit better, and honestly quite differently than any of the stores that we've looked at so far. Okay, so this is the same exact product from the Better Doggy on Facebook, and this is actually a recent ad. You guys can see this was created on June 3rd. So they have right here limited time 70% off savings call, and then they talk all about their product, include multiple call to actions with their link right here. And they have just a really good ad creative. So this one's actually square. It's a little bit different than the one that we were looking at originally, but it's the same exact product, solves the same exact problem, probably same pricing points and everything else, just a different shape. So I like the 70% off dog water basin. They have the high capacity, no spill car use, and easy clean badges down here. And it's just a really clean ad with some really good edits. And then they include all of this information right here. They include a link right here in case you just want to read the first couple of lines. But one thing I've learned with copywriting is to always include more details the further your ad goes down, because there will be the customers that read it, but there's also the customers that just read over your headlines really quickly and click the link and then have to, read through your product descriptions on your own website. But you guys can also sell the product right here in your ads themselves by just including more product information as the page goes down. So let's click their link right here and look at their product page and see what they're doing. All right, so right away you guys can tell that this store is actually selling this product through ClickFunnels. So the headline right here, no more spills. They have the 70% discount with the product price right here, and they include all of the product details and a really good description for their funnel. So they actually have the shipping information right here before you guys can see all the pricing and upsells and everything else in place. So let's just make up a little bit of stuff right here. Just fill in all of this really quickly so that we can see the next page. All right, so right here they have 1 dog water bowl for $26.97, 2 for $46.97, and then they have an upsell right here, the most popular 4 dog bowls for $83.97. All of these product options have free shipping and handling, and then the credit card tab right here or PayPal to purchase this product. So I really like their funnel on this. It's very simple. It's really all you need to sell this product, and look at all of this high quality product information that they squeezed in here, as well as a video, high quality images. This is the same one that they used in their ad, with a lot of strategic call to actions placed throughout. So I really wouldn't change anything on this product page. I mean, obviously there's no reviews or anything. You guys want to add social proof, but other than that, they built a really good product page, and they probably do really well with this product. All right, our last winning product of the day. Product number 3 is the AirTag wallet. So everyone has lost their wallet at some point, don't lie. This is an obvious problem-solving product that's been making its rounds on social media all summer long. I'm sure many of you guys have actually seen this yourself when you're doing product research. But with so many stores copying each other, you need to stand out and you can outsell your competition. So just order it, create some high quality content, make sure to include all of your branding aspects, and don't just copy all of your competitors out there, because that's literally what everybody on the market right now is doing. They're copying each other's product pages, content, and everything else. Just order it yourself. Think of what you can do better than your competition, and you guys are good moving forward. So this product costs $4.98 on AliExpress with free shipping, and you guys can sell it for $44.99 for a profit of $40.01 per sale. That's a profit margin of 89%. This is our product with the best profit margin so far. And like I've mentioned with both products already, once you guys have a good amount of sales moving forward, you guys can actually negotiate lower pricing with your AliExpress suppliers and get your very own VIP link. So the 3 interests that I would start out testing on Facebook ads with this product would be wallet, iPhone, and walking, and then you guys can just see what other interests Facebook will suggest for you guys. So let's take a look at a store that is a clear industry winner in this space and what they're doing to sell this product themselves. All right, so right here we have the Slide AirTag Smart Wallet from Tagsmate, and I actually found this brand on TikTok, so they're doing a great job utilizing their TikTok organic as their marketing strategy. So they have all of their social media links up here, including their TikTok. If you guys are interested in selling this product, be sure to check out this brand as well as their TikTok and all of their organic marketing so that you guys have ideas moving forward with your own store. But like I already mentioned, do not copy any of these other stores or any of your competitors. Just make sure to look at all of their content, what kind of strategy they're utilizing, so that you guys have ideas for your own content strategy, and you guys can just outsell them moving forward and implement all of those branding strategies. So they have 614 5-star reviews. It's marked down from $80 USD, selling for $48.95, and they have their Shopify installments message right here where you guys can pay 4 interest-free payments for orders over $50 with Shop Pay. They have a bunch of different color options right here. This one's actually sold out, so we'll go back to the first one. Free 2-day delivery badge, get it Thursday for orders over $55. They have some really good high quality content right here for their product placeholder images. They have a video of the product with their branding and everything, so I really like how they built this out. Product description, just basic little description right here, product features, and then as we go, there's more details in the description. So never lose sight of your wallet. Works with Apple Find My. Include a bunch of the features, lifetime warranty, comparing their wallet to other brands with this checkbox right here. I really like that. They have video content from YouTube of this wallet. It's like a product review more video content from YouTube, just some sort of an unboxing and another product review, all about the materials, everything else. So there's just more details going down. And here is the review section. It is plastered with a ton of 5-star reviews. Who knows if these are organic reviews or they're just imported, but either way, this is a very well built product page, and you guys can learn a lot of lessons from this on your own stores. But like I said, do not copy them. Just take this as a learning experience and think of ideas that you guys can implement on your own stores and really just improve on. If you decide to sell any of these products, remember to order it yourself so that you can start shooting custom content right away. And if you found any value in this video, remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. And don't miss out on our many resources in the description below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.